रागादिरोगान् सततानुशक्तान् अशेषकायप्रसृतान् अशेषान् औत्सुक्यमोहारदितान् जगान यो पूर्ववैद्याय नमोऽस्तु तस्मै.
Welcome to Ayurprabha. Today we are going to discuss a disease in a rectal sclerosis, that is Kamala. So the Kamala, all the acharyas are described about the Kamala under Pandaroga Adhyaya only. The references regarding the Pandaroga in Charaka Chikitsa 16th chapter, Sushruta Uttara in the 44th chapter, and Ashtanga Hridaya Nidhanasthana 13th chapter, and Ashtanga Hridaya Chikitsasthana 16th chapter, and in Madhava Nidhana 8th chapter. So we can come across the references about the Kamala. All the acharyas are explained Kamala as a continuation of the Pandaroga, because here Charaka is telling Pandarogi again indulging in the same Nidhana, same Pitta Vardhaka Nidhanas. The aggravated Pitta is going to vitiate Raktha and Mamsa, Asrak Mamsam, Dagdava Rogaya Kalpade. So this is the how the Kamala Roga is going to manifest. So we can come across the some of the lakshanas, like there is an Haridra Netrada, there is an yellowish discoloration in the eyes, and Haridra Tok Nayana, there is an yellowish discoloration in the Tok and in the Netra again. So here we can take as a Haridra is not only the yellow color, there will be some kind of Prakrita Varna of a Tok is hampered. So there can be seen some kind of a discoloration, can be a pale or a yellow color. Then Rakta Pida Shakrut Mutra. The patient will pass a mutra on the stools which is Rakta or Pida Varna. Then Bega Varna, the complexion of the person is like a frog. Then Hadendriya, all the senses are hampered. Then Daha, burn sensation, Avibhava, indigestion, Darbhalya, weakness, Sadhana is prostration, Aruchi, there is an anorexia. So after that, Charaka is classified this disease is into two types, that is Koshtashrita and Shabhashrita Kama. This condition is due to Bahupitta. So there is an extremely, or there is an aggravation of Pitta more. So we will move to the Shakashrita Kamala. Here the Charaka is telling the stool which is passing by the patient, it is having the color like a Tilapishta, the color of a sesame paste. Then there is an Shleshmana Rudhamarga. There the Shrodhas is obstructed by a kapha, and this will cause also, there is here we have to understand, because of the obstruction, the kapha get samurchana with vayu, kapha samurchana with vayu. So infiltration of vayu along with the kapha, it causes the displacement of a pitta from its sthana. The pitta will get localized in the shaka. Okay, then there is some more of the nidhanas, ahara nidhanas, like there is a Roksha, Shida, Guru, Swadu Ahara will cause Shakashrita Kamala. Then Viharas like Vyayama, Vekanigraha also can cause. Then there will be another lakshanas, like there is an Haridra, Netra, Mutra, Tok. There is an yellowish discoloration in the Netra and the eye, in the urine and in the skin. Then the patient will pass the stools which is a Shweta Varna, which is a pale color or some whitish discoloration will be there. Then other lakshanas like Atopa will be there, Vishtamba will be there, that is constipation will be there, and there is some kind of a discomfort will be there in the Hridaya Pradesh also, Gurunam, heaviness in the Hridaya, and this the Pitta localized in the Shaga, there is a reduction in the flow of a Pitta, so that because of that it will cause Darbhalyada, weakness, Agni, Alpa Agni, Agniman, that is indigestion, Parsharuja, there is a pain it will be there in the flanks or in the sides of a chest region, and Hikka will be there, hiccup, and Shwasa, breathing difficulties, Jwara will be there, and Aruchi, Anorexia will be there. Apart from the classification like Koshtashrada and Shakashrada Kamala, Acharyas are described some other kinds of Kamalas also. So the first one is Kumbha Kamala. So while going through the commentary of Chakrapani, there he mentioned the word Kumbha is nothing but Koshta, and he says Kamala which is located in the Koshta is called as Koshtashrada Kamala. So he is telling the another name of a Kumbha is Koshta. A Kumbha is a synonym of a Koshta. So Kalandarat Karibodha Krachrasyat Kumbha Kamala. If not treated, the Kamala, if not treated properly, it going to deep-seated Karibodha, it is going to deep-seated and it becomes Krichra Sadhya. It cannot be curable. So the Lakshanas will be like there is a Krishna and a Pita Varna. It is a blackish and dark color and a yellowish discoloration will be there in the chakra, in the stools and the urine in the mutra. And the shunam will be there, the swelling will be there, and there is in the eye and in the mukha, in the akshi and in the mukha pradesha, there is a reddish discoloration will be there, and if the patient is passing stools and a urine mixed with the blood, mixed with the rakta, as well as in the chardi also, in the vomitus also, there can be seen blood. And other lakshanas like daha will be there, burning sensation, aruchi will be there, anorexia, trishna, there is excessive thirst, and anaha, there is a constipation, and tandra, there is a drowsiness, and moha, there is an fainting. So, and each charaga is telling there will be an Nashtagni and Nashtasabnyam Shipram. With a very quick or very fastly, there is a loss of Agni and Sapnya, consciousness of the patient. And according to Sushruta, he says the two symptoms can shofa will be there, there is a swelling will be there in the body, and there is a parva beda, there is a pain in the joints. So here Halimaka is the Pandu Varna changes into Harida, that is a green color, or Shava, or a dark color, or Pitaga, or a yellowish color. So when the Pandu Varna becomes a Harida, or a Shava, or a Pitaga, then it is called as a Halimaka. Then there will be the Rakshaya of a Bala and Utsaha. The patient will lose its Bala, its strength and its enthusiasm. And there is a Tantra will be there, drowsiness will be there, Mandagni will be there, and Jwara will be there, fever will be there, and also Srishwa Harsha, the person will become lack of a libido, and Angamarda, there will be body pain, Shwasa, respiratory distresses will be there, Trishna will be there, excessive thirst, Aruchi and Anorexia will be there, and Brahma will be there, giddiness will be there. According to Ashtanga, for Halimaka, he gave another name, Lodaram. So he is telling Lodaram or a Halimaka is a synonym for a Lodaram. So the Lodara, there will be a dosha involvement is Vata and Pitta. Okay, Vata and Pitta Prakopa will be there. According to Arinadatta, he is telling Apalasam also a synonym of Halimaka. In Shushruta Samhita, we can come across another condition is Alasam or Lagaraka. So according to Vagbhata, Alasam is nothing but Halimaka. Here he is telling Alasam is another condition. Okay, Alasam is also called as Lagaraka. So the symptoms are like there is a Jwara, there is a fever, Angamara, there is a body pain, and also Brahma will be there, giddiness, Sada, there is a malaise will be there, Tandra, drowsiness will be there, and Shaya, there is a weakness or a wasting of the body will be there. In Madhavanidhana, he mentioned another condition is called as Panagi. There, Panagi is, their symptoms are, there is a Sandhaba, there is a fever, there is a raised body temperature, Bindavarcha, there is an diarrhea. Then there is a discoloration, yellowish discoloration in internal organs as well as in the outside the body, Bahu Ananda Pida. So next is, there is a Pandu Varna, paleness can be seen, or there is a pale whitish or a pale color can be seen in the netra. Move to the chikitsa of the Kamala. Kamala chikitsa is some shodhana should be done. Shodhana should be done. That is especially virechana karma. Samshodhyam mrudubhi tiktehi kamali tu virechana. So the virechana is the line of a treatment for Kamala. The virechana should be mridu, and the virechana dravya should be tikta rasayukta, should be a bitter in taste. So we know prior to virechana we have to administer snehana therapy. For snehana, Charaka is mentioned. For snehana, Panchagavya Grida, Mahatikta Grida and Kalyana Grida can be given. Also, we can administer some other yogas like Mahisha Grida should be boiled along with the Darvi, 5 pala of a Darvi and a Kalyaga. These two drugs should be boiled with the Mahisha Grida, can be administered as a snehana. Coming to the Virechana yogas like Aragvada, Shundi, Pipali, Maricha, Bilvapatra, Ikshvasa, Vidani, Amalaki. So these all the drugs should be mixed with make a kashaya and can be given. Then another yogas, half pala of a Dindi and 1 pala of a Guda should be given along with a Shita Jala. Next yoga is Trivrit can be given. Trivrit along with the Trifala Kashayam can be administered. So these all are the Virechana yogas for Kamala yoga. For Shagashta Kamala should use Mamsa. Mamsa rasas should be given, that is Mamsa of peacock, Mamsa of a titiri, Mamsa of a cock. So should be given, and also it should be added with a Ruksha Amla Khadu Rasayukta Dravyas. Then another is Mulaka Kulata Yusha should be given. Mulaka and Kulata Yusha should be given. Next is Madhulanga Swarasa along with Madhu, Pipali, Maricha and Nagara. This is also helpful for a Shagashta Kamala. And Charaka is telling Kadu, Tishna, Uchna, Amla, Lavana Rasa Yukta Dravyas. We should administer to the patient. It should be continued till the patient achieves yellow color in his stools. Then coming to Halimaga Chikitsa. For Halimaga, Charaka is telling Mahisha Kshira should be given along with the Gudichi Surasa. Then Snehana should be done followed by a Virechana. For Virechana, Trivrit along with Amlaki Surasa. Then Aras should be a Swadurasa Yukta. Then we can administer Yabana Basti, Shira Basti, Anvasana Basti, we can administer. Then also Charaka is mentioned some of the yogas for Halimaga is Datriya Vileha, Raksha Arishta, Agasti Haridake, this all are helpful. Then Charaka is telling alternatively along with milk, we can give Pipali or Madhuga or Mela. Okay, here in Kamala we can adopt the same treatment as like Pandu yoga. So same yogas also we can give for the Kamala. We will move to some of the yogas which are mentioned in Sahasra Yoga. So the first yoga is Vasa Kulichiyadi Kashayam is there, that is we have to give along with Madhu, and Vasadi Kashayam also is there. Then Punarnava Nimbadi Kashayam is there. Punarnava Nimbadi Kashayam is indicated especially the Pandu yoga is associated with lakshanas like Shofa, Jora, Kasa, Shula and Shwasa. If Pandu yoga is associated with these conditions, then we can give a Punarnava Nimbadi Kashayam. Then Faladatragadi Kashayam is there. Then Kayoniyadi Kashayam also is there. Then he mentioned a yoga. A yoga for Kamala is Draksha, Amrita, Vasa, Nimba, Ishti, Gayatri, Pipali. These all drugs make Kashaya and can give. Then for Halimaga also he mentioned a yoga for Halimaga. Nimbatuk, Trifala, Patola, Rajani, Vasa, Amrita, Sariva, Amalaki, Bela, Stira, Ishti, etc. drugs make Kashaya and can give for a Halimaga yoga also.